Now, as for Irma, that center of circulation now 145 miles southeast of Key West, Florida. So here it is, still right around that north coast of Cuba. That's where the center is. But we've been talking about how it's such a big system. So already we're finding those rain bands moving into some of our areas, especially sections of the Keys caught up in some of those stronger bands as well. Maximum sustained winds at 125 miles per hour, gusts to 155 miles per hour, pressure 941 millibars, and it's moving toward the west at 9 miles per hour. And once it gets back out over the waters, that center, it is forecast to strengthen before it makes that landfall over Key West, or the lower Keys, I should say, early tomorrow. We are under a tornado watch, all of South Florida, as those rain bands lash the region. You could get some brief spin-ups of some of the storms within those bands. So that is one thing to keep in mind if you were thinking about maybe heading outside thinking it's okay. Really, it's not, because you never know when a band may move through and offer up a tornado or a wind gust that you can't even stand up in, and that